Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has assured victims of the recent ocean surge in Sangana Akasa community in Brass local government area of Bayelsa State that it will partner with relevant stakeholders in the region to bring about lasting solutions to the reoccurring environmental challenge in the community. The victims who lost their homes and personal belongings in the last episode of the ocean surge received palliatives and medical supplies from the NDDC to help cushion the effect of the devastating occurrence. Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, Managing Director of NDDC, who personally handed over the relief materials, assured them of the Commission's continuous assistance to ensure their immediate resettlement in their community.
The Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, led a delegation to the site of the ugly incident where about 200 houses were destroyed. Receiving the delegation at the community, the chairman of the Sangana Council of Traditional Rulers, His Royal Highness Theophilus Moses Tekenibara VII, appreciated President Bola Tinubu for his concern and asked the intervention agency to review the shore protection contract that was awarded but later abandoned.
Look at the project that was awarded by your people and was abandoned by the contractor for over some years. But you will see things yourself as an evidence that Sangana people are crying, and that is exactly what we have faced.
Dr. Ogbuku, while delivering the relief materials, which included medical supplies and other essential household items worth about 500 million naira to victims of the ocean surge in the community, said the Commission would partner with relevant stakeholders in the region to profile lasting solutions to the recurring environmental challenge and ensure they are immediately resettled.
We're also contemplating looking at using wave breakers deep into the river so that it will also reduce the force of the wave. Then we talked about also the geotube technology, which we're also exploring, which we think is going to be more sustainable.
Some members of the community who spoke to our crew thanked the Commission for giving them hope in the wake of the devastating occurrence.
Us, we coppers too. I mean, who would have known what would have happened to us? I mean, we've been sent here to serve Nigeria and all of a sudden flood came and wiped everybody.
Before now, you don't see this kind of response very fast. This is like very spontaneously. The report is coming and the Commission is visiting. And you can see from the speech of the MD, you can see action. And from the marching orders from Mr. President till the MD, it marks words and action together.
To prevent these communities from extinction and preserve their ancestral lands, it is crucial for the government and stakeholders to implement concrete measures to tackle this menace, which is a recurring decimal.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,